What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. I know I look a little crazy, but I did a Euphoria recreation for my Instagram, so I just thought I would just film my intro for this video. If you want to see this look, you have to go to my Instagram. But yes, in today's video I'm going to show you how I apply my lace front. Like, when the lace front trend came out, I would never in a million years thought I would be wearing a lace front, but I think they've come a long way since I was in college and in high school. So this is probably one of my most requested videos. Even though I mostly do makeup, everybody always asks how I do my hair and details on my hair, so here I am doing the video. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing specs on this wig and how I install it, please keep on watching. This wig is from Rosa Beauty on AliExpress. I've been ordering hair from Rosa for about 7 to 8 years. So this is like my favorite hair company. I bought this wig myself, and the other lace front wig you guys see me with is from them as well. This wig is 13 inches around and it goes back 6 inches. So you have a lot of parting space. Okay, now I'm going to take some wig pins and secure the wig down. Okay, now that it's secured, I'm going to take some mousse and try to push back all of the hair. Now I'm going to section off a piece in the front and apply some mousse. Like, when you're plucking, it works better when your hair is wet so you can see what you're doing. The way I like to pluck is like I kind of skip. I will pluck in one section, skip another section, and then pluck, skip, pluck, skip. And I'm going to repeat the same method. You part it off, you skip, pluck, skip, and then pluck. This wig is pre-plucked, so you don't really need to do that much plucking, but it's completely up to like how you like to wear your wigs. I try not to pluck off too much hair because it's gonna thin out over the years, so I try not to pluck too much hair at one time. Another tip when it comes to plucking your hair is to like do it in sections. Like, I split it in half and I did one side, and now I'm doing the other. I try to do at least 4 rows of this. Now I'm going to try on the wig to see what the hairline looks like, and I think it's okay. Okay, this is how much hair that I took off. It's not that bad. What I like to do is take this Sally Hansen leg spray, and I use it in, I think, medium glow, and I just spray the lace, and that helps the lace match my skin tone, and it also kind of hides the knots. Okay, now I'm getting ready to glue the wig down. What I like to do is make sure all of the hair is out of the way, so I'm pinning back all of the hair. For me, one of the hardest parts about laying a wig is cutting off the air tabs. Because if you cut too much, it's not going to cover everything, and if you cut too little, it will not lay down right at all. So just make sure you have all the hair out the way. Go in with some scissors and just carve out enough space for your ear, and try your best not to chop off too much hair. I'm going to pull the wig back and apply some Got To Be to my edges because I don't want any of my natural hair in the way of the glue. So I push all my hair back with the Got To Be and I blow dry it to help it dry faster. Got To Be dries faster with cool air. After that, I'm taking a cotton ball with some alcohol on it and rubbing where I'm going to lay the wig. A beginner friendly way of helping you figure out where to lay your lace is to mark off where you want each point to be. So I'm using like this cream colored pencil, and I'm going to mark where I want the wig to lay once I start to glue it down. Okay, the glue I'm going to be using today is Ghost Bond. You can find this on Amazon. I'm not really the biggest fan of hair glue, well, using glue, because I find that it's kind of messy and it's sticky, especially like trying to take it off. Like, it's annoying, but it's the only thing that keeps my wig on for like a week. I like to dot the glue on and then take something to spread it out evenly. During recording this video, I thought I was going to do the application one way, but I changed my mind. So just go ahead and leave those dots all the way around your forehead and then smudge it out and then come back and do it one more time. When I first started to use the glue, I only used to put one layer and that did not hold the wig. So I definitely recommend 2 layers. In between each layer, let the glue dry down to like clear, because if you apply it on top of each other while it's still white, the glue will not dry correctly and it's going to seep through the lace. Now I'm going to line up the dots that I put there to help me lay the lace. I'm just going to press the lace into my skin. Like, make sure you rub it in, you press it in, like, just make sure the lace and the glue is one. Okay, now after doing that, to help cut off the excess lace, I like to section it off into like 4 sections because I'm going to use that eyebrow razor again to cut off the lace. Lace looks best when you don't have like a clean cut. So like hair scissors is going to give it too clean of a cut, so you're going to see it on your forehead. With the eyebrow razor, you kind of go as close to your skin as you can without cutting yourself and cut away at the lace. Try not to make a clean cut straight line, kind of be a little jagged, and you do that section by section until it's all off. The first time I did my wig, I didn't do the little points to help me lay the lace, so my lace didn't lay the way I wanted it to. My sideburns stuck out and I couldn't get the tabs to cover it. So I tried this method the second time. The only thing that I didn't like is that I think I kind of got glue on the cream pencil, so some of the cream pencils stayed even though I tried to wipe it away. I'm guessing that I have like weird sideburns because anytime I try to apply a lace front, it doesn't completely cover my sideburns. Like, there isn't enough space for me to put glue. So I'm just going to use some Got To Be gel and put it down on my sideburns, and I'm just going to use that method because I don't want to put glue on my hairline. This glue will snatch your edges if you let it. So while the Got To Be gel is drying, I'm pulling out the perimeter of the hairline so I could do baby hairs. That is completely optional. I know everybody doesn't like it, but for me, I naturally have baby hairs, and it also helps hide the lace. I'm going to use some mousse, and I'm going to push back all the hair that I don't want to cut, and I'm going to push forward the hair that's going to be my baby hairs. I'm also using the eyebrow razor. Yet again, I don't want a clean line when I'm cutting the hair. So I just go in and cut the hair the length that I want it and try to do like the little baby hair swoops. I'm not really that good at it, but you know, I get it done. Okay, now I'm taking the blow dryer and trying to press down the sideburns. And to let everything set, you just tie it down. I'm using like a satin headscarf. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to purchase it from Amazon. And I try to let my hair set for like at least 20 to 30 minutes. Here I am a few days later. I haven't done anything to my hair. I think it's like 2 days later. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I like to use this hairspray by Amika. It's a style extending spray called The Sheild. For me personally, like I noticed that when I use this, it makes my hair like even more silkier. So I'm gonna spray that in there, and then I'm gonna brush it through. I'm using a Remington 2-inch flat iron. I got it on like 26, and then I do the chase method with the comb. Okay, here is one side flat ironed, and it is super silky and pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back. Okay, all my hair is now pressed straight. It's super pretty and flowy. I hope I got all of it. Since the last I recorded, my baby hair was done and now they're not. So I'm gonna try to go in and cut and fix them. I use mousse because I don't want that hard crispy baby hair look, but completely up to you. Like if you know you're going to be out all day or you want it to last longer, you can use the Got To Be glue gel, or you could use the spray. I can't find my spray right now, but usually I'll put some hairspray on the brush and then kind of like comb the baby hair in the place that I want it to be and lock it in. For those of you who have flyaways or you just want that more sleek look, you could use like a KeraCare hair stick, and you could just put it where you have flyaways. This wig doesn't have that many, but I'm going to use it anyways because it kind of keeps your hair in place. Use it here. Now it's time for the hot comb. I got this from Amazon. It's really hot right now, so I'm going to turn it off. It has one of those on and off switches. So since it's already hot like this, I'm just going to cut it off. And then if your hair is ever bulky and you want to flatten it, you could take the hot comb and just press over your part. And then for this section I kind of flatten it down, and I would normally use hairspray on this area to keep it like in place, but I can't find it. So there you have it, guys. This is how I apply my wigs, and I'll leave all the information about this wig down below and link off some of the products that I used in today's video. So if you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.